Hello and welcome to this second video tutorial of using 25Live here at Moravian College. In the first tutorial, I walked you through the basics of scheduling an event, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit an event. A frequent question that I receive is, I've already scheduled my event, but I am realizing now that I forgot a requirement. I forgot that I need media services or catering or something along those lines. So this is how you will edit an event if you realize you're missing something. You're going to log into 25Live like I showed you in the previous tutorial, and you're going to come to this section, Your Upcoming Events. So you can see that you have events in which you are the requester or events in which you are the scheduler. That distinction comes in the scheduling process and the event scheduling wizard. So I will check out the event in which I am the scheduler. And I can see I have these test events. So I will go ahead and select the one that I want to edit. As long as my event is in the tentative stage, I will be able to edit it. So here I actually have this edit button, or I can go to more actions and edit the event. So either way, if I select I need to edit, it's in the tentative stage, it'll allow me to do that. It will open up the wizard again. So you can see it has populated all of the information I've already told it. So nothing has been lost. I don't have to redo things all over again. I can just run through the wizard and select what I've forgotten. So say I want to keep moving forward. And change the requester to the person who is actually in charge of this event. Like I just scheduled it for them, but I'm not able to answer questions or really understand what they need. I want them to have some editing power. I can edit the event and say that someone else is the requester. So I'm just going to keep choosing my friend Craig. Sorry, Craig. Or I can edit the requirements for the event. So say originally I might have said I have no needs, but I'm realizing now if I'm showing an event in Prosser, if I'm showing a presentation in Prosser, I'm probably going to need some help from media services. I can go ahead and select that and tell them what I'm looking to do, and then that will send a notification to my friends at media services, and they will get the ball rolling to make sure I have what I need. And once you're done editing, make sure you hit save, because again, save is going to resubmit and send notifications to any relevant person. So that is how, if your event is in the tentative stage, you can go in and edit the event. One thing to note is the system might tell you that your event is locked. If it tells you the event is locked, it means that someone else is currently editing the event. So just give it a little bit of time and go in and try again. As long as someone is actively editing, you can't go in. It can only be one person changing at a time. So that's one little snafu you might encounter. But as long as it's tentative and it's unlocked, no one else is in it, you should be able to go in and edit your event.